The cows are up and mooing. It's early, man. It ain't even no sunlight out yet. So let's feed all the animals. Let's get it. Today, the last day until this weekend that we hit the road like this. We've hit the road like this for the past 5 days straight. So, alright, man. Let's get to feeding everybody. These animals are all hungry. Breakfast time. Come on, blue collar boy. What's up with y'all? Oh. Whoa, you strong, boy. You strong, bull. You strong, bull. Ooh-wee. Okay, so Winston and the turkey are eating. These guys are eating out of the buckets. Emus are next. Alright, so this is sad. The turkey isn't as bad. But this gray one looks really rough. And that peacock back there looks really rough. It's also really, really sad because this morning when I came out, I actually separate the peacocks at night, keep them in a warmer spot, and so they don't get smushed because they're older than all the chicks, but they're smaller. They just grow less fast. These are meat birds and egg layers, so they're supposed to be big pretty fast. The peacocks, on the other hand, aren't growing that fast, and I don't want them to get squished. And man, I came in the greenhouse and one of them was just laying on the floor. Alright, y'all, so we got Hector all the way from out there, trapped him in this way, so now we're gonna get him onto the trailer. Let me hurry up. I'm defeated, man. Ooh.
My man wants me to pee my pants.
Oh. Guys, it's been a long day, but Winston, stop. Hey, boy, I know. We fought him to get here, but we got him here, man. Took about 3 hours for me and Anissa to get him here ourselves. Holy, he's a big boy. Come here. Hector, come here. Hector, come here. Come here, boy. He's angry with us. He's a big boy, though. Come on, boy. Here. Come on, boy. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Go. Come on. Better not be this damn hard to get you in the other pasture. Oh, no, big boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Yes, Hector. Yes. Go, go. Go, yes. Yes, yes. All right, everybody. Anissa's plan did not work. That damn donkey was fucking ridiculous. But my plan worked. We had to put the fence around here. And now, bussing. She's trying to get her big baby off of her. These things are so clingy. They're like big dogs. Oh my gosh, Hector back there with the goats. Eating already, that's really cool. What they say, boy. Kyle's Wildlife Refuge. These the OG shirts, man. I've been beating this shirt up lately down here. But we went on another rescue mission and got Hector the donkey. Now this is really crazy, really mind-blowing. We didn't think we would get a donkey, but hey, anything that needs a home in the South, I'm gonna pick it up and take it, so. Living the dream, man. We got baby cattle, emu, a kitten. She made a very good choice.
We want a sandwich. A little ass sandwich.
Man. Alright, time to get on the road. We gotta get gas. Gas right there.
You trying to cut me off.
I hear a donkey.
It's kind of muddy. Where did y'all get that tire?
Oh, that bother you. We have three friendly geese. They don't want us Does y'all's waters get red? You know why? It's because of the acid rain.
Oh, we think
We filled this up yesterday, so it took away from us acid rain. It's like, what the fuck? That's like a red ass shit. I'm a bucket. That's females. That's all that I know.
He's a little smaller than that, yeah.
Hey, he used to bite at the beginning.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's still kind of.
He still, if he gets mad and then you don't give him attention, he'll nip at you. He'll get you in the back of the butt sometimes. Where you going?
Alright, these cows are hungry. We just got back. Hector, come here, boy. Hector, come on. He a big old donkey. And we got the goats in the back. Hector, come here, boy. Hector, come here. No? Alright. Come on, Kane. Let's go in the house. Good boy. I'm so sore. I want Hector to do his uh-oh, Kane smells. We got one more piglet from Bailey and Andrew. Ooh-wee. Good boys. Cow. Here, cow. Here, boy. You big bull. Yeah, you're a big bull.
Oh.
You stepping on it? Hector wants some. You rambunctious, boy. Oh, it's right here. This damn cow crazy. You know there's nothing left, right?
Uh-oh, you gonna have to run. Cause I wasn't even crazy.
You go out first and then I'll go.
Come on, Big Diddy. We gotta go.
Oh shit, I forgot about her. Oh fuck.
We gotta go. Oh. Come on, Big Diddy, let's go.
Oh. He's chasing me.
Oh, Big Diddy, no.
Big Diddy, no. Oh.
Get up.
Oh. Got his ass.
Okay, can you
Ooh.
take this bottle so I
Yeah.
can Big Diddy up?
Here, cow. Oh yeah. Here, bull.
I don't have no more. Look, we have.
Oh.
Dad.
not locked.
I know.
Trust me.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
You don't care about me, bitch. Cut this shit off. Alright, man. So I pulled most of this one off. It's bad. It's all the way up there. Damn, let me see. Another one. The small one's up there. What's it for this hand? In this hand, we got that one, that one, that one. Alright, this is gonna be painful for a while. Like, not gonna be able to do shit, but man, I tried to get it as much as I could. I couldn't do that good with these. Shit hurts, man. What's up, guys? So we got this cute little piglet here. Supposed to have one more piglet and the mama coming. We got this guy from my friends Andrew and Bailey. And yeah, man, so now we got 5 piglets on the homestead. Cute little baby.
Turn it like a sack of potatoes.
Alrighty.
Your brother. Your brother, your brother. He said, what the fuck? Do I know y'all? Oh no, he's scared.
Get used to it, buddy. Whew, damn. Cut this shit off.